Hey, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video, real quick, I want to show you a great gig description that I found on Upwork. So this is PowerShell. PowerShell is obviously the scripting language for Windows operating systems, and I think it's super exciting. So it's super exciting to work there on Upwork. So there are many clients actually having installed the Windows operating system, so they need experts to write code in the command line, and it's like focusing on something like PowerShell. You can do it like you can learn, say, 1 month focusing exclusively on PowerShell, and you can master it, right, and become PowerShell master, and just offering your services on Upwork. This freelancer makes $50 per hour. So if you work on long-term projects, say 8 hours per day, you can make $400 per day doing just this, just one thing, PowerShell, right? This one makes $35 per day per hour. It's still exciting. So if you work 8 hours, making $35 per hour, you make like 280, right, dollars per day, which is also exciting. So working a day and making $280, I think it's really great. So, and obviously you have to create value for clients. You have to become a top-rated freelancer on Upwork. How do you do this? You have a high job success score. So every gig you take, you finish successfully. This means that you have 100% job success score, and then just keep on pushing, and you will eventually earn the top-rated badge. And having the top-rated badge means that you have more work than you can handle, because you get recommended by Upwork for clients that search for these skills. How about the future? Is it future-proof? Is PowerShell development future-proof? So think for yourself. PowerShell development requires the Windows operating system. So is it future-proof to understand the Windows operating system and do like with the rise of the Microsoft Azure cloud? And so we will obviously see the Windows operating system not only on client side, so on users actually who buy a Windows PC, but we will also see it on server side, right? So PowerShell is definitely a programming language that is used quite frequently, and you see like the growth over the last, so it's a big picture thinking, the last 15 years has been really exciting, really a growing industry for PowerShell. PowerShell is not going away anytime soon. The demand is increasing, and supply of developer is probably like there are many developers who are able to actually offering services in PowerShell development, but being a top-rated freelancer per definition is very unlikely, right? Top-rated freelancer means you belong to the top 5 to 10% of the freelancers. So if you finish all gigs successfully and you focus on PowerShell development, the barrier of entry is still there, because you have to keep working, keep understanding, like coding. There are a lot more. The demand for good coders is much larger than the supply. So this will always be true, and you shouldn't actually seek out a programming language that decreases in demand, in my opinion. But PowerShell is increasing in demand. So we have on the one hand we have an increasing demand, on the other we have fixed supply, I would say, of great PowerShell developers. So I think it's an exciting industry to be in. Okay, I just want to present you this niche. If you like these niche videos, and please give me a thumbs up. Like the video, you can also leave your comments below, and yeah, just subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more. Currently, my current pace is one of those niche videos per day, so I want to bring to you the most exciting niches on Upwork to work on as a coder. So obviously, like Thinkster focuses 100% on coding. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and see you in the next video. Bye.